So in the end, I'd like to ask both of you. You're a father to a son also, but you're a father to a daughter. Did you find that you brought them up differently at all?
Well, she has 2 dogs, and any day, if a choice is between the father and those 2 dogs, I don't stand a chance.
Okay.
तो ये थोड़ा मैं चेंज करता, बेटा कुत्तों से इंटरेस्ट मत लो, शुरू से मैं रोकता उसे, मगर now it's too late.
No, but why don't you recite the poem that you've written for Zoya?
She is a fiercely independent person, very strong and very confident of herself. I'm very, very proud of her. Very proud of her.
Please recite the poem you've written for her.
Which was quite unnecessary because I think she knew all that anyway.
Doraha, Doraha.
Please.
Doraha. This I had written when she was in early teens. ये जीवन एक राह नहीं एक दोराहा है, पहला रास्ता बहुत सहल है, इसमें कोई मोड़ नहीं है, ये रास्ता इस दुनिया से बेजोड़ नहीं है, इस रास्ते पर मिलते हैं रीतों के आंगन, इस रास्ते पर मिलते हैं रिश्तों के बंधन, इस रास्ते पर चलने वाले कहने को सब सुख पाते हैं, लेकिन टुकड़े टुकड़े होकर सब रिश्तों में बट जाते हैं, अपने पल्ले कुछ नहीं बचता, बचती है बेनाम सी उलझन, बचता है सांसों का ईंधन, जिसमें उनकी अपनी हर पहचान और उनके सारे सपने जल बुझते हैं। इस रास्ते पर चलने वाले खुद को खोकर जग पाते हैं, ऊपर ऊपर तो जीते हैं, अंदर अंदर मर जाते हैं। दूसरा रास्ता बहुत कठिन है, इस रास्ते में कोई किसी के साथ नहीं है, कोई सहारा देने वाला हाथ नहीं है, इस रास्ते में धूप है कोई छांव नहीं है, जहां तसल्ली भीख में दे दे कोई किसी को, इस रास्ते में ऐसा कोई गांव नहीं, तुम इस रास्ते पर ही चलना। मुझे पता है ये रास्ता आसान नहीं है, लेकिन मुझको ये भी गम है, तुमको अब तक क्यों अपनी पहचान नहीं है।
क्या बात। I want to, that's a very hard act to follow. Beautiful, Javed Saab. But to you, Shabana, 50 years, we are marking a milestone year for you. What are the next 50 years going to look like? What do you want them to look like?
I don't want much, I just want more. Ask what I want and I will sing. I want more of everything. Everything.
And I think we want more of Shabana Azmi and Javed Akhtar. Before we let you go, I have 3 very special women whom I'd like to invite on the stage to present our honors to you. Woman of impact and man of impact.
Thank you.
May I please call on the stage Wing Commander D'Souza, Squadron Leader Boparai and Major Swati. Could we have them on the stage, please? And may I have Major Swati on the stage also? One of you has to present this to Shabana. And you do the honors. Both of you do the honors with Javed sir. Would you like to say something?
We all are totally inspired by their work, and I think we'll follow the legacy forward, whatever we've heard of, their bonding, and it's actually inspirational for the young couples as well. Thank you.
Shabana, would you like to say something?
About what, darling?
About this moment where we have such a varied ensemble, as it were, on stage, and what it says. Okay, I've been told I have to speak into a mic.
Huh.
I don't have a mic. So I'm saying I just want to mark this moment as we almost come to a close today of the different varied dreams that people can have. You know, writer, public intellectual, actors, military officers, and we've had an array of others. And we just thought we should get really a younger generation to honor you. And I just thought you may want to say something to these women in uniform.
Thank you very much for your very kind words, and I want to reciprocate earnestly that you inspire us. You give us so much courage and so much hope. And the hope lies with the younger generation and what you girls represent. And thank you, Barkha, for this wonderful, wonderful audience and for giving us this wonderful opportunity. It's been an honor and a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Javed Saab. Javed Saab, thank you.